The process of creating an iPhone is a highly advanced and meticulously organized cycle that combines automation, robotics, and human labor. The primary production is concentrated at large factories, such as Foxconn and Pegatron in China, which produce millions of devices each year. Each device undergoes a lengthy journey, from component manufacturing to retail delivery. Assembly begins with the production of key parts. A-series processors are manufactured at TSMC factories, screens are supplied by Samsung and LG, and cameras and memory modules are produced by specialized companies. These components are delivered to Apple factories, where they undergo strict quality inspections. At the initial stage, robots test microchips, batteries, screens, and other elements to eliminate defects. The main assembly of iPhones takes place in multiple stages. Robots play a leading role in assembling the motherboard, placing and soldering components with micron-level precision using lasers and sensors. The device's body is crafted using automated systems that cut, grind, and polish aluminum or glass. Robots apply anodized coatings and inspect the body's thickness, ensuring perfect precision. Next comes the assembly of internal components. Robots install cameras, speakers, vibration motors, and other modules using vacuum grippers to handle tiny parts. Automated systems apply adhesive to secure displays, seal the bodies, and test for water resistance. After assembly, the devices undergo multi-level testing. Robots check sensor sensitivity, screen brightness, camera quality, and battery capacity. Devices are placed in vacuum chambers with water to verify their waterproofing. Each iPhone undergoes dozens of tests, most of which are performed by automated systems using machine learning. After successful testing, the devices move to the packaging line. Robots carefully place iPhones in boxes along with accessories, seal the packaging, and label it. From there, the devices are shipped to warehouses and then to stores worldwide. The logistics are organized to minimize delays and ensure the fastest possible delivery to consumers. Robots play a crucial role at every stage of production, providing exceptional precision, speed, and quality. Automated systems can operate around the clock, eliminating human errors and reducing production costs. For instance, robots assembling screens apply adhesive and attach panels with absolute precision, while specialized machines install camera modules flawlessly. Robots also conduct mass testing of devices, using sensors and algorithms to detect even the smallest defects. Despite the high level of automation, human labor remains essential. People handle complex operations requiring flexibility and a personalized approach, as well as quality control and the resolution of potential defects. This synergy between technology and human involvement allows Apple to produce millions of devices that meet the highest standards. The production of iPhones exemplifies how cutting-edge technology can be integrated into industry. Robots and automated systems handle most of the work, ensuring accuracy and speed, while humans contribute to the final stages of production. This combination enables Apple to manufacture millions of iPhones annually, making them a symbol of innovation, reliability, and quality. The production of Samsung smartphones is a complex and high-tech process that combines advanced technologies, robotics, and human labor. As one of the largest technology companies globally, Samsung performs most operations in-house, enabling strict quality control at every stage, from component creation to final device assembly and distribution. The process begins with manufacturing key components, most of which are produced at Samsung's own facilities. Exynos processors, used in certain models, are fabricated in the company's semiconductor factories. Samsung also produces memory modules, batteries, and cameras. Component production involves cutting-edge technologies such as ultraviolet lithography for processors and advanced processes for applying organic materials in OLED screen manufacturing. During assembly, most work occurs at factories in South Korea, Vietnam, India, and China, with robots and automated systems playing a central role. Robots handle cutting, grinding, and polishing materials during the casing production, shaping metal, glass, or plastic housings. For internal assembly, robots precisely place processors, memory, and other elements onto motherboards. Cameras, speakers, and other modules are integrated using robotic vacuum manipulators to handle small parts. OLED screens are installed with automated systems that apply adhesive layers and ensure perfect alignment. In foldable models like the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip, specialized robots manage flexible screens and hinge mechanisms, ensuring durability and smooth operation. After assembly, Smartphones undergo rigorous testing. Robots assess display quality, including brightness, color accuracy, and touchscreen responsiveness. Cameras are tested for photo and video quality under various lighting conditions. Batteries are evaluated for safety, capacity, and performance stability. Foldable devices are subjected to repetitive opening and closing tests to confirm reliability, while waterproofing tests involve placing devices in vacuum chambers filled with water. Once testing is complete, devices move to the packaging stage. Robots carefully place smartphones in boxes with accessories, seal the packaging, and apply labels. Finished products are then sent to warehouses and distributed to retailers and distributors all over the world. Modern logistics systems minimize delivery times. Robots play a critical role at every stage of Samsung smartphone production. They deliver unparalleled precision and speed, especially in microchip installation and flexible screen assembly. Automation reduces production costs, eliminates human errors, and enhances product reliability. For instance, robots applying screens ensure adhesive application and alignment with microscopic precision, while testing machines detect even the slightest defects. Nonetheless, human labor remains vital. Workers handle complex tasks requiring flexibility, such as manually arranging connectors or conducting final quality checks. This blend of robotics and human involvement enables Samsung to produce millions of high-quality devices that are popular worldwide. In conclusion, the production of Samsung smartphones exemplifies the integration of cutting-edge technologies and automation. Robots perform most tasks, including assembly, testing, and packaging, while humans oversee processes and handle tasks requiring creativity. This approach ensures Samsung's leadership in the market and allows the company to release millions of reliable and innovative devices annually. The production of smartphones by Apple and Samsung represents more than just factories. It is a showcase of high-tech complexes where automation, innovation, and human expertise converge. These processes demonstrate how cutting-edge technology and engineering ingenuity shape devices used by millions of people all over the world. Robots and automated systems play a pivotal role, delivering speed, precision, and quality. At the same time, the human touch remains indispensable in verifying and adapting technologies. This unique synergy enables the creation of products that not only meet the needs of modern society, but also set new benchmarks for technological advancement. Apple and Samsung are two giants that not only compete with one another, but also inspire the world of innovation. Their factories are more than assembly lines. They are symbols of progress, illustrating how high productivity, sustainability, and creativity can be harmonized. Thanks to these efforts, each of us holds in our hands not just a smartphone, but a pinnacle of engineering excellence that reflects the future of technology. Write in the comments which phone you prefer more, iPhone or Samsung. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.